Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get the Spirulina Powder in Heartopia for the Olive Wheels Fashion Event Cooking. So go to Massimo, he'll be located right around this area. And then basically you're just going to go to the cooking store, and again, you can only purchase 50 a day. So 2,500 gold coins. I do need to restock on my gold coins and start cooking more. But that's okay because the event is here right now and I'm only focused on that. And that is where you can get the spirulina powder. It's for cooking. Also, when you purchase it, I think you get 3 more, I believe. So go there to claim that. And that is where you can get the spirulina powder. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!